we are going to draw the input in the main program. So we have already used the input is to get the data from the user. We use input, and next is the print, means to display the output with the values the strings. So first is the input, means to get the data from the user. How we write that? Simply we write the input there from this string we want to display, and we may put the semicolon or the comma and the list of variables separated by the comma. That's all, nothing more there. Like one example is here. So input type first number, and is a numeric variable. We can also take the string variables. That's all. If we use multiple variables, then while inputting we have to use the comma. That's all. If we use this input, then there is no string to be displayed, so simply it gets the data. That's all there. Next is a line input. Line input, if we have a name like Ram Kumar system to input to the computer, and that is called entire line. That comes under line input. It can accept up to 255 characters for the strings. So how we use that? Instead of using input, what we have to do there? We have to use the line input, then the string we want to be on the screen, and the string variable. That's all. So here is an example. Describe about yourself. So just describe it here in lines there. So that becomes line input, and just print it from here. Next is a print to display the output to the screen. Here is a syntax: print the string we want to display, then the comma or the semicolon, then the variables. If all the arguments are omitted, means we get the blank line. If expression is included, then the values of expressions are printed on the screen, maybe numeric or the string, and they can be here. And for the mention that to separate the variables, we can use comma or the semicolon, like it here. Yes. That's all, nothing more there. And one more thing is there, that for the output, actually what we have to do, we can also use the question mark. It also works there, but actually it is considered a low standard, so most we go with it. That's all, nothing more there. So these all are the examples. Now let's see some examples of this one. So now I'm going to run it. Enter your name, just inputting Ram. Great. Then so name Ram and grade equals to 10. Yes, sir. It's very simple. We can also use this print in different line, and we can use the same line. So this is variable. We can also put the comma, like this one, this one, this one. Running now. Ram 10. we can see that it is taking more spaces. So comma, it occupies more space, and if we use semicolon, it turns on. It's very simple example of the input and output. Yes. Now what will happen there if we enter with a space in this input? Like suppose if we enter Ram Kumar, grade 10, enter. Here is a Ram Kumar and the grade 10 means it is getting the data and the printing. So it's very simple example of input and the output. Instead of this print, we can also use the question mark like this one. Now running summon system grade 11, summon system grade 11. It's very simple to input the data. Nothing more we have to do there. We can also input the same data in the same line. Okay, like let's make this comment name and grade. So what would happen there? We have to use the comma here, then grade. Now running this one, enter RAM system and grade 11. So this is how it works. So this is called input and output using input and the print command we can say. I hope you also work this one. Thank you. Just subscribe if you like the video. Share with your friends.